For reading today, we are finishing week 3. So you're in week 3, scroll down all the way to day 15. Our topic is earth science, specifically trash and recycling. So our fiction story is called I Stink by Kate and Jim McMullen. And our nonfiction book that teaches us information is Garbage Trucks by Mary Linden. When you are done pressing on the Take Me There link and completing what you need to do there, you can watch this video about what happens to our trash, and you can also do the writing activity called Follow That Trash. So first you press Take Me There, and just like all the other days, you can watch the story, press here or here, and read the book, press here or here. And then under puzzlers, you've got word match, fact or fiction, which came first, and then you can dive deeper by exploring the web and meeting the creators. So when you're done, it's super important to do 30 minutes of Imagine Learning, because that is where you're getting the most instruction on comprehension and phonics, so understanding what you read and understanding how letters and sounds go together to help us read words. And it also helps with your vocabulary, so all the words that you need to know to be a good learner. So make sure you sign into that for 30 minutes, and then do your phonics lesson and turn it in, and then you can practice reading either books at your house or Epic Books. Happy reading!